In an unfortunate example of people supporting the bullied turning into bullies themselves, Rhea Chakraborty, Sushant's former girlfriend, has been trolled again by those claiming to seek justice for the actor. In the aftermath of Sushant's demise over a month ago, many celebrities, including Rhea, were trolled incessantly by those claiming to be Sushant's supporters. Rhea Chakraborty was trolled once again by netizens for not being a part of the digital protest held for Sushant Singh Rajput, where actors like Kangana Ranaut and Sushant's former girlfriend Ankita Lokhande shared pictures of lit candles demanding justice for Sushant. No other major celebrity shared pictures or was a part of this protest. And looks like netizens have decided rather unfairly to attack Rhea repeatedly in the aftermath of Sushant's demise. Rhea has been accused of abandoning the actor and not doing enough to save him or prevent him from taking the drastic step that he did. She is now pursuing legal action against those who sent her threatening and abusive messages. But that did not prevent netizens from targeting Rhea again, questioning why she did not participate in the virtual candlelight protest that was held for the actor across social media platforms. Kangana Ranaut, Ankita Lokhande, Shekhar Suman were amongst the few celebrities who joined the online protest to seek justice for the actor they allege was driven to take the drastic step. The hashtag #CandleForSSR was trending on social media, with thousands of social media users sharing posts and pictures of a candle or lamp that signifying the solidarity with the demands of justice for the late actor. However, Rhea, who has requested a CBI inquiry into the case, did share a picture of a candle, and this didn't go down well with netizens who started attacking her again. A user wrote, "She was nothing without Sushant Singh Rajput. No one knew her even. Her only identity was SSR's girlfriend. Her all Insta pictures and backgrounds are Sushant's bungalow and apartment. But when time comes, she deleted all pictures of Sushant Singh Rajput from her Insta before 14 June. What type of behavior is this? #CandleForSushant Singh Rajput. It's important to mention here that while many B-Town celebs shared the poster of Sushant's film, which premiered online today, and asked everyone to watch it as a tribute to the actor, apart from Kangana and Ankita, no other Bollywood celeb joined this digital protest. Perhaps they don't want to interfere in a case that's under investigation, or they don't need to publicly share the grief they may be feeling. Either way, the online protest was a purely optional exercise, और किसी को support दिखाने के लिए किसी और को hurt करना seems completely unfair to us. अफसोस, अक्सर हम भी वही बन जाते हैं जिसका हम विरोध करते हैं. And it looks like the same thing is happening in Sushant's case as well.